Good morning, everyone, and welcome to yet another aanmelder.nl tutorial. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the event website builder. So, to start off, it's important to know what this website builder is built up out of. So, on the left-hand side, you can see a menu. You've got elements, pages, styling, and even an option to start a tour or go to the knowledge base. At first, I'm going to look at the elements. You can see that everything is made out of elements that you can easily drag and drop and move around, such as the way I've moved this button here. Um, so it's pretty easy to just add something new. For instance, I'd like to add an image here. I'd like to add some social buttons. Of course, you need to enter those, but I'm just going to leave it here for now. So it's just as easy to make changes to your website. And what I always recommend after making a few changes is just to go over to the preview button and check both the desktop and the mobile view. And there you can see that the changes you've made are already appearing, except for the social links because I haven't added the link yet. That's why it's not appearing. And I haven't added an image yet, so it's not appearing here either. So that's so far for the add elements. Also nice to know is that you can add widgets, which we're going to talk about in another tutorial, such as program widget, speaker widget, sponsor widget, map widget, and survey widget in other tutorials. So now that we've covered elements, what else do we have? On the top, you can see the menu items, so home, other pages you have, and you can add to them in the pages section. So you can easily click add pages, pick one of the templates, for instance, let's say about the summit, and it will just appear here. That's nice. What's also nice to know is that once you're moving this around, so for instance, I feel like this about us should be located underneath the program, then it will be added in the menu underneath program. You can just as easy take that away again, and then it will just be a separate menu item. Another good thing to know is when you head over to styling, and this is a really nice thing because you can make changes easily globally on your website, is that you can change the main colors, so the global color settings. Main color, the main text color, the main background color. You can also set settings for the different headings in your text, the button colors and everything, the button sizes, shapes. You can even change the way your navigation looks, which I also am a big fan of. For instance, you could hit, make sure that everything's on the top left, but I'm not very used to that. Top center, this is nice. Right side, left side. And also, one major thing you need to look into is, of course, which I didn't do yet, so shame on me, is uploading your brand logo. I did already upload my favicon. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but you can do that here as well. And it also mentions the recommended sizes of the images you upload, which will really help you in the creation process. And yeah, you can even add page elements such as banner, footer, make your pages more narrow. And I guess this was it for today's website builder tutorial. Um, yeah, I just want to invite you to try out some stuff, um, try and build a few pages, check the knowledge base articles if you don't understand everything, and if you really need some extra help, you can always hit up our support line, and they will help you as soon as possible. So I wish you a great day and have fun building your event in aanmelder.nl.